Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want to welcome you. On this channel, we create things to not only encourage self-care, but to make it easier in maintaining it. Let's create together. Today, we will be making hand wipes. And these hand wipes are great to have on hand at home or even to put in your car for on the go. To create our hand wipes, we'll be using a few basic ingredients. To begin, we will be using unscented soap. This is actually Castile soap. We will not be using alcohol, so this is an alcohol-free formulation, but we will be using witch hazel. For our oil, we'll be using grapeseed oil, but feel free to replace that with any oil you may prefer or have on hand. And to preserve our formulation, we will be using tea tree essential oil, vitamin E, and grapefruit seed extract. In addition, you are going to need some wipes. So what creates our wipes are either paper towels, you can use paper towels, or I found these wipes on a roll at my local dollar store, and I have pre-folded them. So they are reusable wipes. I have folded them and I've put them in a resealable plastic container. Very important that it is resealable and that it closes tightly so as to not get air into our work. You will also need a measuring cup. So here's a measuring cup and measuring spoons. And for this, I will be using 1 tablespoon and 1/8 of a teaspoon. Last thing you will need is some boiled water that is warm. So boil some water and leave it at room temperature. To begin, we are going to pour 1 cup of water into our measuring cup. And we're going to add a tablespoon of our Castile soap. I am using Dr. Bronner's Unscented baby soap. Just add that here. And a tablespoon of witch hazel. Witch hazel helps to alleviate skin irritations and helps with redness. We are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of our grapeseed oil. And grapeseed oil serves as an emollient, as a moisturizer, so our hands are not dry. There you go. We will add 5 drops of tea tree oil and 1/8 of a teaspoon of vitamin E. Make sure I get all that vitamin E in there. And 1/8 of a teaspoon of grapefruit seed extract. And this is our preservative here. So make sure we get it all in there. And from here, we will stir and incorporate all our ingredients. Be sure to stir very, very well. We might add a little bit more liquid to our formulation here. We will see how it goes. Once we have our liquid, what I am going to do is I'm actually going to maybe not half, I'm going to take my wipes out and I'm going to pour some of my liquid in, making sure to saturate all the towelettes I have. And I put it back in and I press down, saturating the towelettes. And add a little bit more on the top. So just divide and place it in and pour. A little bit more and pour. And if you find you don't have enough liquid, I'm running out of liquid here, feel free to remake remake the formulation and add the rest in. I've remade my formulation in the same measurements as previous. So just remember to stir and mix well. And just pour the remaining onto your hand wipes. Good. And from here, you want to press down, press, really coating all your towelettes, making sure that all of them are nicely saturated. So as you can see, you probably start off with half the container than when you began, but it has a good weight on it because of the liquid. And then here you are. These are your towelettes on the go. To use your hand wipes, you just have to take one out, open it up, and wipe your hands. And there you are. Clean hands, moisturized, and you're done. There you go. Moisturized hands. And there you are. You have your wipes. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, hit that like button, tap on the subscribe, and click for notifications. I will create with you next time.